So first you take this out. Make sure this is good. And then you
It's supposed to be in the middle or no? There's no
yeah,
difference.
it's supposed to be in the middle, but the main thing it doesn't fit.
Okay.
Yeah. And then you take this out. And then on the knife there with you. And then you go like this. And then
The white is
Yeah.
supposed to be in the bottom.
bottom, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. But there's no difference between this area. Oh yeah, it has a difference.
It's glowing here. It's more glowing. And for me to make sure, I always try to open it. So this one.
The white
Down.
one's supposed to be
Yeah, and
down.
remember always we take this from inside. the
Okay.
crust.
Okay.
This is how I remember it. And then you do this like that. Like this. And then you have this to make sure it's all.
And the barcode
The barcode.
for the medium.
Like that too is the medium here. And then it's gonna take you forever to scan it. You don't need to record this. You're gonna do forever. Can you do? Okay, and then
Next step.
you
Okay.
do this, okay. No, bring this back and do this, okay.
Then okay. Okay. And we have to wait
Yeah. So the time here
until two.
is gonna
Okay.
go down.
Down. Okay. 2 minutes.
If you want to make this step, like take this and press this.
No, no.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Next time.
Last time it was the thing, like it was there is a bubble.
Yeah.
If you
I
want
got
to
it.
do
Yeah.
it,
Yeah.
do it.
But yeah.
Very easy. I will look for the video. There was one which is really good. So now you got this and wait till it's mixture.
And when you heard the beep, the second beep, you just
I
leave
didn't
it.
go with the bead. I just press this and plug this, and when I see the set completely, then I leave everything, and this is gonna go up all the way.
And
Then
it takes
this is
about
gonna be
3
down all
minutes.
the way. And if it doesn't, like sometimes it doesn't open, it doesn't release. So just click here or turn it off and on. Okay, let's see. This one, let's open that like this.
Oh, you press bottom or no? You have to press
I
bottom.
press this one. So sometimes you wait, but if it doesn't, like it's still there is some minutes. If you just want to take it, just press this one. And if
okay.
it doesn't open while you press this one, just turn it on and off.
But when the time is done, it's go to the 0. We have to press the button.
Yeah. No, it will open by itself.
Oh, it's open
Yeah,
by.
but instead of waiting, like sometimes you can just, if you have something, you can
But you
just
press
leave
the
it.
bottom.
Yeah, yeah.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. So if you have time, I'll just take it
Okay.
out. If you have